So hi everyone, this is my new video. In this video, we will be learning about Google Gemini API. Uh, Before this video, I made about LLM models and all those things. But anyways, like I thought like to make one video on Google Gemini because this is also trending nowadays using Google Gemini with Python. So anyways, first of all, I will not show you my API key for sure because that will be confidential. Anyways, but for you understanding, like I have introduced to my API key like this. You can see my length of the API key. It is always 39. If you also generate for any Gemini, Google Gemini API key, it for you also it will be 39 only. The length of that will be 39. Anyways, first of all, this is I have some imports that are important. Gradio is not necessary for now. We can skip this. I will cover Gradio in the next part. But anyways, like Google, this is the import, a normal import. If it is not, you can use pip install Google and Gemini, anything you can type and it will work. Then the API key that is configured off top of the 70. But anyways, it is of length 39. Then comes the configuration. I am configuring my API key with the Gemini model. Now in this Gemini model, we have many models. You can see downside. I have said my Gemini that Google Gemini that you use Gemini 1.5 Flash. You can choose any model. We have a list of models using the Gemini.list models. We can test. We have a function called list models from where we can have all the models accordingly, and we can have these models, and you can use anyone. You can use the pro version, Gemini Pro version. You can use Gemini 2.0 Flash, anything. But randomly, I picked up 1.5 Flash, and it was working fine for me. Now, obviously, I have to pass some prompt. I pass the prompt like who is the Prime Minister of India, and response is like model.generate content. This is the function that you do pass, and you will get the response. And here you can see in the response you have the text and the current Prime Minister of India is Mr. Narendra Modi sir, and you can see. So if you type print response or text, and you will get the result as this. Now I hope that you know how to pass prompt and generate the content accordingly from Google Gemini API. Next come how you chat with Gemini. You have seen like you chat with these models. So when you chat with these models, you maintain a history also. So we will deal with this from now. Like you will make a chat object like model.start chat, and the chat will be started for 1.5 Flash. If you choose any other model, for any other model, the chat will be started. Now you are sending the chat a message like who is Virat. Now I'm having the text like Virat most commonly refers to a Virat Kohli, an Indian cricketer. For sure, it is giving the correct answer. Suppose I want to check the history. In the history, I'm getting this result like parts, user, model. This is user, this is me that I asked that who is Virat. This is the model, that is a Gemini model that gave me the answer like Virat most commonly refers to Virat Kohli, an Indian cricketer, highly successful batsman. We know that Virat Kohli is a very great cricketer. Anyways, like now I'm asking who is myself I'm asking. But anyways, this is now it is coming just a common Indian name. But anyways, now the main thing I want to show you that it maintains the history. You can see downside. First I asked who is Virat. Then it is giving the answer as a model. Model is giving. Now I again asked who is Mayank. User is giving me. User means me, and accordingly I'm getting the role as model. That model is giving the answer. So why it maintains the history? Because it wants to know that what context you're talking about. Like if you're talking about some contextual thing, because from the start and end it will maintain the history, and from that context it will give you the answer. So I hope that you got that using chat.history. Next we have chat.send message. That these are many other methods also are there, but anyways these are the two important methods I got through and I told you. Okay, now come some configurations. Although we have many configurations, but I will tell you few of them. Now you want to set up some configuration in your Gemini model. Suppose temperature 0.0. First of all, temperature means how effective your result should be, how creative your result should be. Basically, if you give 0.0, like creative, it will not be so it will give you the accurate for sure. Or temperature 0.0, 1.0 will not matter the difference in that accuracy part. Just the creativity will increase if you have the temperature value at 1. Temperature value always ranges from 0 to 1. If you set it to high, that is 1, it will give you a more creative result that I will show you. And max output tokens means it will increasing its size accordingly. We have one more like top K, top P. It will help you to pick up the tokens like because many tokens are there, many vector embeddings are there. Accordingly, it will give you the result, but we will not go in so deep. Just you should know like some configuration that we can pass and we can have the output. Suppose I made a function like prompt in the user, see who are humans, and configuration like Gemini should have some configuration, and I pass the content as prompts and generate content, the same method I passed in the starting only, and this is the generation configuration, and I'm returning the result. Now I'm printing the result like printing the text. Let's do it once again. Temperature 0.0, who are humans, and I will get the result. Humans are the species of bipedal primates belonging to the hominid family. Simply I think the bookish language we are getting. Suppose I'm typing the temperature at 1. Now the result will definitely change. Let's see. Okay, it is the same, I guess. Some differences there. Of the family hominid we are characterized, right? Like I can check one more time. There will be some difference. See, before that this one was coming beyond and all this, but anyways, difference will be there. It is not given. Let's do one more thing. Tell me a story. Let's do it. My temperature is suppose 1. First of all, we are checking for 1. So the story is there. Let's keep the temperature at 0. Let's see the difference. The difference should be there. Okay, there are clock maker. So basically it will have a difference. You can see the token size also increased, and many things were different, but this was all about that, the temperature. Simply the temperature refers to the more effective, more creative the result would be. If you are temperature at 1.0, the result will be more creative. If your temperature is 0.0, you will get the result, but the content will be less creative, and the max out of tokens will be there. Like according to tokens, you can generate anything. And one more thing, there is one top K, top P. Top K and top P refers to the tokens that you have, like refers to that. So anyways, this was all about the video. I hope that you might have learned a lot about Google Gemini, how it works with Python and all, and you can have your configurations. You can have more configurations. These are some of them, but anyways, you can explore and have some configuration. I just gave you overview like how Google Gemini works with Python, and hopefully it will help you in future. So this was all about the video. Thank you. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe for my channel, and goodbye. Bye bye.